you ever felt like you were meant for more, but had no idea where to start? Like you're stuck in a loop, scrolling through business ideas, watching others succeed, but feeling like everything you could do needs money, skills, or equipment you simply don't have? Yeah, I know that feeling too. That's why today, I'm sharing 4 small business ideas you can start with no money, right from home, even if you have no experience, no fancy tools, and no idea where to begin. These aren't just side hustles in theory, they're real businesses African women are starting right now in 2025, building income and freedom from exactly where they are. And number 3, it just might change everything. So if you've been dreaming of financial independence but didn't know where to start, stick around, because these are side hustles anyone can start, and they might be your first step to building something real. Let's get into it. First off, we have writer. You might think, but I'm not a writer. Here's the plot twist. These days, you don't need to be one. With tools like ChatGPT, you can transform your raw thoughts into beautifully written content, ebooks, stories, blog posts, copy for businesses without being a literary genius. It's not about having perfect grammar, it's about having a voice, a message, and the courage to share it. There's a huge demand right now for African-centered, culturally relevant content, stories, guides, and voices that reflect our brilliance, our reality. And guess what? Most of it doesn't exist yet. If you have life lessons, lived experiences, or even a wild imagination, you can shape that into digital products that sell. You can ghostwrite, write children's books, create how-to guides. The possibilities are endless. Your words could change lives and create income. Next up, we have web designer. Let me tell you something that most people don't know. You can become a web designer without touching a single line of code. Thanks to platforms like WordPress with Elementor, Wix, GoDaddy, and even Canva, you can build beautiful websites through simple drag and drop templates. I once met a woman who started by making simple one-page websites for friends' businesses. Today, she's a full-time web designer with clients across the globe. Start small. Offer free or low-cost designs to local businesses, salons, tutors, churches, NGOs who still don't have an online presence. Africa is full of service providers who need digital storefronts. You can be the one to create them. You don't need to be a techie, you just need to start. And as a bonus idea for you, let's look at graphic designer. If you have an eye for color, design, or even just vibes, graphic design could be your thing. No degree, no fancy laptop, just Canva, YouTube, and consistency. Design logos, social media posts, digital products, or even merchandise. Start with your community. There are so many African entrepreneurs who have amazing ideas but no visuals to match. You could be the reason their brand finally looks like something people trust. And with every design, your skills and your value grow. YouTube automation. This one blew my mind. You don't have to show your face, be loud, or go viral to make money on YouTube. With YouTube automation, you can run a faceless channel, posting relaxing sounds, top 10 lists, motivational content, or even storytelling videos. AI can now generate scripts, voiceovers, voice edits, even thumbnails. You just guide the process. And yes, you can learn how to do it all for free on YouTube. Why this matters for Africa? Because our stories are still missing on the platform. Our news, our culture, and our experiences. There's room for a quiet revolution here, and your channel could be part of that movement. Next up, we have coach. A woman I know started teaching house managers how to cook continental dishes. She didn't have a degree, just passion and practical knowledge. Today, she runs a profitable coaching business, helping working moms save time and stress. That's what coaching is all about. It's not about being a guru, it's about being a few steps ahead of someone else. If you know how to budget, raise good kids, style fancy outfits, speak a native language, or care for natural hair, you can teach that. You can build a personal brand, share your tips online, and get paid to help others grow. You'd be surprised how valuable your everyday knowledge is to someone else. Last but not least, consultant. Have you helped a friend manage her finances, or guided someone through a skincare routine that worked, or given business advice that actually made a difference? That's consulting. And yes, it pays. More people are seeking real, relatable advice, not from celebrities, but from people who understand their world. Platforms like Zoom, Canva, and WhatsApp have made it easier than ever to offer your knowledge as a paid service. It's not about being perfect, it's about being helpful. The turning point, from idea to action. Let me tell you a hard truth. Most people don't fail because their idea isn't good. They fail because they don't understand their market. They don't know what problem they're solving or who they're solving it for. So they stay stuck, overthinking, over-researching, under-earning. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it out all on your own. If you're serious about starting a business but feel unsure about the what, the who, or the how, I'm offering something that could change everything. A free one-on-one clarity call to help you uncover a profitable idea that fits you, your skills, and your situation. No pressure, no pitch, just focused, strategic guidance. By the end of our chat, you'll know exactly who you can serve, what problems you're solving, and whether your idea has real potential. And if you're a good fit, I might invite you to a free 30-day program I created for women like you who are ready to stop waiting and finally launch something real. Spots are limited, so if this speaks to you, click the link in the description and book your free call now. Let's turn that idea in your head into impact in the world. There you have it. 5 business ideas you can start with no money, from your home, with your current skills, or skills you can learn online for free. These aren't just side hustles. These are potential income streams that can grow into something real. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a sister who needs to hear this. In the comments, tell me, which idea are you most excited to start? I'll be reading every response. And who knows, your idea might be the focus of my next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.